your videos for high engagement can be not only exciting, but so much fun for you as well. You want to take your audience on a journey. Some people can just sit here and talk to the camera without adding any effects or any cool logos or whatever, pop-ups or whatever we want to call them. Some people are very good at doing that, and it's okay to do that on some channels, but a lot of other channels are just sitting here doing talking heads and people are clicking off because it's not that interesting for them. So how can we edit for engagement, for excitement? Well, this is what I've noticed. In a world where shorts are very popular, people are swiping on 5-second TikToks and YouTube shorts and Instagram reels. So how do we keep that audience retention? How do we edit for engagement? A good rule of thumb is every 5 seconds have something new occurring on the screen. Whether it's different B-roll or different pop-ups or different words coming up, just have something occurring so that you're maintaining your audience retention and they're truly engaged. Instead of just throwing things at them just to try to make them interested and keep them from clicking off, actually allow it to relate to your video, so much so that they don't even realize they're being intrigued by whatever it is you're delivering, because everything goes together so beautifully, instead of just let me throw something now, let me throw something now. It's not necessary to have your clips change every 5 seconds, but for a lot of us it is hard to keep people engaged, so it's necessary. If you're not one of those people, you're very lucky, I'll tell you that. Even just punching in and punching out, that's a change. So it keeps people engaged. Oh, I just had deja vu. That means I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be right now. Let's grow. Peace.